Gunsmithing is a lifelong learning career, so we train from the beginning.
A gunsmith is trained to customize, repair, restore, or preserve firearms.
We can make parts. We can do everything on a gun, from design to fabrication to building a basic gun.
The program has 4 different semesters, and each course builds upon the previous one.
We have 2,496 clock hours, and they're almost spent completely at the bench.
We have a lot of bench hours.
The bench hours go above and beyond as far as the training goes. That is going to be the best training you could possibly get.
First semester would be mostly finishes like bluing and cerakoting, and disassembly, reassembly, and the cycle of operations. Second semester revolves around woodworking and engraving.
You're going to get a gun in your shop that's engraved. I want you to know what good engraving is.
Brian Powley, he wrote the course. Not only is he a master engraver, he's a Colt master engraver.
Third semester has mostly machine tools. We also learn welding, reloading and ballistics, and barrel fitting and chambering.
Then the very, very last semester, favorite semester of everyone, is they make some fine custom rifles.
Custom rifle making, you get custom gun making, custom alterations and repair.
Students will be proficient on lathes, mills, drill presses, grinders, buffing wheels, sandblasters.
We have graduates in every single state in the union, all 50 states, and they're so successful. They run big companies, they run little companies, and everything in between.
A lot of these companies will only hire from Pennsylvania Gunsmith School.
Because you have those base skills, you have the confidence to know that you are able to learn whatever you need to.
The reason I chose PGS was because of the hands-on time that you get. It's irreplaceable when you're trying to learn this trade.
You never know what's going to walk in the door. I spent a lot of time here making custom tools, and it is a very valuable skill that they teach at PGS, and they do a fantastic job of doing it as well.
You having that ability to, on the fly, make a tool and use it on a particular firearm, you now own that tool for the rest of your life, and it's pretty much priceless at that point.
Reading gauges accurately, machining things to 10,000ths of an inch, those were some of the things that I really excelled with and really enjoyed learning.
A lot of the stuff that we learned there, I use every day. It's one of the only fields in the country right now where there's more jobs than people to do.
With the world today, we have so many guns, millions of gun owners in this country.
It has become a career that is more lucrative than it ever has. My dad was a gunsmith at heart, and my dad ran it all the way up until he passed away. The wisdom comes at the end of the program in knowing that they're on a journey. And that journey is to learn every single day something new that will make them better and make them a more proficient craftsman.